There is something truly inspiring about having a bird as a pet. Watching them fly and interact with their environment is mesmerizing. Birds are also very intelligent creatures and can be trained to do tricks or even learn to say a few words. They are a great addition to any home and can bring happiness and joy to everyone who interacts with them. The tulips are one of the most wonderful things on earth. They are so beautiful, and their colors are so vibrant. They are a source of inspiration to me, and I love looking at them. Chocolate cookies are amazing because they're soft and chewy, with a delicious chocolate flavor. They're perfect for a quick snack or an easy dessert. And best of all, they're really easy to make.